Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Mo and I'm back with something that I'm super excited about. If you cannot tell from this broad grin on my face, that I'm going to introduce to you something that I've been doing for the past maybe I've been doing this for a while. I've been really interested in manifestation, law of attraction, all of that kind of woo-woo stuff for a while. I've read all the books, I've done courses, like very expensive courses, deep diving into this stuff. And today I have kind of put together my own very fun 21-day manifestation challenge, and I want to share that with you. Let me tell you something. I have manifested some amazing things into my life, from the van that I currently drive, the apartment that I currently live in. I've done some awesome things through the process of manifestation, and I think, you know, it's so much fun that I really wanted to bring it on this challenge, on this channel, and share it with you so that you can kind of use your thoughts to bring some fun stuff into your life too, because yes, your thoughts do create your reality, whether you believe that or not. And so what if you could like use that on purpose and actually, you know, bring some awesome things into your life? So that's what I'm going to be doing over the summer. It's July 2021 right now. Welcome to Vlogmas. This is my version of Vlogmas, where, you know, people do a vlog a day during Christmas. Well, I'm going to try and do all of these videos over the summer to kind of introduce you to the law of attraction and manifestation through my lens, because everybody has, you know, their own version and their own interpretation of the law. And so I'm just going to share with you my fun thought process, how I do what I do, and how I'm able to like make my life a little bit better through the process of manifestation. And I hope you have fun with me this summer as I go through the challenge with you. Now, if you want everything right away, I suggest you check out the link down below in the description box. I've put together a challenge, a course, a whole bunch of videos, some worksheets, like there's a scripting worksheet, there's some affirmations that have worked amazingly in my life, there is some limiting belief worksheets so that you can kind of help you to fast track, you know, what are the things that are holding you back so that you can manifest some really fun things into your life. So if you want that, you should check out that link in my description box so that you don't have to wait until the end of summer when we're going through all of the process of the 21-day challenge together. You can deep dive into all of it right now. But anyway, let's just get into what the hell is manifestation first. Like, most people know what manifestation is, but perhaps you've never come across it the way I interpret it. As I said, everybody has their own little nuances and interpretations, and sometimes you hear something 10 times, you finally hear it the 11th time, and it clicks, like it finally clicks, right? So let me share with you my version of manifestation, and let us see if we can have some fun this summer. Yes? So I have my notes in front of me so I don't ramble on throughout this whole video, because guys, I could talk about this stuff all year long. So if you see me looking down, I'm just kind of glancing at my notes here, okay? So all right, what is manifestation? That's probably what we want to start with, right? Because many of us are going through life kind of repeating the same cycle. The same realities keep coming up in our life. And why is that? That is because you're looking at your manifestations, what you have in your reality, and you're focused on it. And because you're focused on what already is, you keep getting more of what already is. If you want to take yourself to a new level, you have to stop focusing on what you've already manifested and focus on where you want to go. And that's what this challenge is supposed to help you to do, is to kind of help you to let go of what already is, all the crap that you've already manifested. Some of them are amazing, sure, but we want to take it to a new level. And so we are going to figure out how to stop focusing on our reality. Stop telling me that no, this is my truth. You want to create a new truth and manifest that into your life. And we're going to do that through this challenge, right? Manifestation is the ability to think something into existence. I know. That sounds completely crazy. I've gone off the deep end. No, it happens. It can happen. It happens every day. You're already manifesting stuff into your life, as I said. So we want to learn how to kind of control that process and manifest some amazing things instead of, you know, repeating the same cycle. So like I said, manifestation is taking something that's in your mind and causing it to come into your reality. Now, it's not magic. It's not woo-woo. It doesn't quite work like that. The way that this works is that because you're so focused on one thing, things just kind of appear appear. They kind of just work themselves out, and you don't even know how. Synchronicities happen, coincidences happen. Somebody says something to you over there, and an opportunity opens up over here, and you are not quite even sure how it's all happening, but because you're so focused on this one thing happening, it happens. And that is manifestation. It is not trickery, it's not magic, but it's taking the thoughts, your mind is so powerful. It's taking the thoughts that are in your mind, coupling them with the laws of the universe, which there are several laws of the universe, like gravity. We discovered gravity, which was a thing before we discovered it, right? The law of attraction is the same thing. It's a law, and it's out there working whether you want to believe in it or not. Gravity works whether you believe in it or not, right? It's the same thing with the law of attraction. So the law of attraction is just one of the laws of the universe. You want to learn how to take your mind, which is so powerful, and the laws of the universe, blend them together to manifest some amazing shit into your life. And yes, you can use your thoughts, your beliefs, and your feelings. You're gonna learn throughout this process how important it is to lean into your feelings to manifest good things into your life, because reality is just a projection of your mind. I promise you that your reality is a projection of your mind. It can be like a chicken and an egg scenario. Sometimes we're thinking to ourselves that no, my reality exists, and so it influences my thoughts and not the other way around. But hopefully over the next 21 videos you will realize, because it's not we're not doing this for the next 21 days. I'm going to show up with a video. I'm not promising you that. But over the course of the 21-day manifestation challenge, I'm hoping that you will see how your thoughts actually project your reality and bring some amazing things or some really bad things, depending on what's going on in your head. Let's think about this for a minute. If you have a job that you absolutely hate, you get up every morning and you're like, no, I'm miserable, and that is why those thoughts of, oh my God, I hate this job so much, keeps that reality going, keeps that cycle happening. Now, one simple shift. You get up every day and you say, oh my God, I hate this job, but I'm so grateful that I have it because my bills are paid, yada, 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 right? And then a while ago, I was very aware that I still said, I hate this job, but. So eventually, you're gonna take out the I hate this job but part, right? And you're just gonna really focus on the gratitude and be grateful that I have a job, my bills are paid. And those small, tiny changes in the way that you think, those tiny changes can bring about changes in your reality. I promise you this. What we're going to do throughout this challenge is, rather than focusing on what's wrong in your life, we are going to change your mindset so that you can start focusing on all the goodness that's in your life so that you can attract more goodness. That's exactly how it works. I don't know how it works. The how is not actually your business. Don't mind the universe business. That's not your part. Your part is controlling your thoughts, focusing on the positive aspects of your life, being grateful for what is going good instead of focusing on the negative, guys. You've been focusing on the negative aspects for so long. How's that working out for you? Like, how's that working out for you? Let us see what harm can it do to focus a little bit on the positive aspects. So that's kind of what manifestation is. It is learning how to control the thoughts in your head, and then your reality is a projection of your thoughts. It sounds crazy, but stay with me here. So I've established what manifestation is, right? Manifestation is the process of attracting something into your life through your thoughts. Stick with me, I know it sounds crazy, but that is what manifestation is. It is attracting something into your life through your thoughts, creating something into your physical presence that you thought about, and voila, here it is. So what is the law of attraction? What's kind of like the difference there? The law of attraction is pretty much simple, like attracts like. Now, the law of attraction exists even without manifestation, meaning that the law of attraction states that you are going to attract into your life what you're thinking of, whether you are consciously doing it or not. So manifestation is you taking the law of attraction and working it into your favor. So manifestation is the doing, it's the verb. The law of attraction exists. whether you want to believe it or not. So if you click off on this video and you're like, a foolishness she attack, shouldn't know what she attack about, and you're like, cool, and you go on to live your life, never ever giving manifestation, law of attraction, all of that crap any kind of thought anymore, then the law of attraction is still at work in your life, guiding you based upon your thoughts. So it's happening to you, but you're not controlling it. Manifestation is controlling it. Manifestation is knowing and accepting that the law of attraction is at work, and I can manipulate that to create the life that I desire. So I hope that explained for you what the law of attraction is. Through manifestation, you can use the law of attraction to be like, all right, here's what's going to happen, and you start to think and focus on something that you want to manifest into your present reality, and somehow the universe kind of just makes that happen for you because you are so focused on that goal. So this video was just a little bit of an introduction into what manifestation is, what the law of attraction is, and how you can use it to manipulate something or to bring forth something into your life on purpose, how you can design a life that you truly desire through your thoughts. And so what this whole 21-day manifestation challenge is that I want you to kind of work your manifestation muscle. I want you to start practicing it, because I'm not telling you that over the next 21 days you can become a billionaire and just blow up and just everything just works. So it generally doesn't quite work like that, and that is because of you don't believe that. You don't believe in your head that you can become a billionaire from wherever you are right now in the next 21 days. And so if you truly really don't believe that, it not gonna happen, it not gonna work. So we are going to like start working that manifestation muscle of yours by starting small. So join me on this challenge. I want you to pick something that you believe you can manifest over the next 21 days. Is it $1,000 US? Is it a trip to Disney? Is it a new car? Don't stretch yourself too far, too thin, too unbelievable. Pick something that's slightly a stretch, like, okay, I didn't really have this in my thought process, but here I am on this challenge. I think I can do this, or I think it can happen. Maybe not you can do this, but I think it can happen. And throughout the 21-day challenge, we are going to definitely explore some different ways that it can happen to kind of cement in your mind that this is something that's believable, it can happen, all of that. We're going to work on it. Pick something, write it down. What is it that you want to manifest over the next 21 days? And then come back, turn on your notifications, come back for the next video where I will explain how this all works a little bit more and what you need to do in order to work this process and bring some magic into your life. Are you excited? Are you ready to join me on this journey? I'm gonna tell you what my manifestation is over the next 21 days. I want to monetize this channel. So where am I starting from? I have maybe 415 subscribers right now. And you know, I need 1,000 subscribers to monetize. I also need 4,000 watch hours, which I think I'm at 25% of the way of that the last time I checked. So I have a way to go. Can I do it in 21 days? Yeah, I'm using this 21-day challenge to bring to you a whole heap of content, and hopefully I will also be able to attract monetization on YouTube through this challenge. So let's see. So I've told you what mine is. If you want, go ahead and tell me one of yours. It doesn't have to be the whole shebang. It doesn't have to be what you really want. Go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me what you want to manifest over the next 21 days, and then come back, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you know when I post the next video so that you can get started. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Join me on Instagram. Make sure you go and follow me on Instagram too.